Hello everyone, welcome to the video guide of the project-based learning module for grade 7 Physical and Chemical Changes. In this video, we will discuss how to guide the students in performing this PBL. Also, we'll explore how this PBL helps students develop 21st century skills like critical thinking, creativity, and communication while understanding the differences between physical and chemical changes through real-life examples. The learning outcomes that the students will achieve after performing this PBL are shown here. The PBL starts with a leading question: can we create an equipment to classify everyday changes as physical or chemical and use this to predict similar changes in your surroundings? This question sparks curiosity and guides students to observe, analyze, and connect concepts. It also helps to build critical thinking. Students begin their first activity by observing changes in their daily surroundings, like tearing paper, melting ice, or rusting iron, and classifying them as reversible or irreversible. In the second activity, students explore changes using an incense stick. They first bend or cut the stick. This is a physical change. They then burn it. This produces new substances like ash and smoke, which cannot be reversed. That's a chemical change. This activity involves creativity and helps students understand the key difference between changes that are reversible and those that are not. In third activity, students connect science to their homes by exploring how milk turns into curd. They boil milk, let it cool slightly, and add a spoon of curd. After keeping it undisturbed for a few hours, the milk turns into curd, with a change in taste, smell, and texture. This irreversible transformation shows a chemical change. This activity develops critical thinking as students must infer the type of change based on the observation. In the extended activity, students explore acid-base reactions with turmeric and lemon juice. By the end, students revisit the leading question and answer it based on their learning from the PBL. A sample answer is here for you. If buttermilk is left out for too long, it turns sour, and this is a chemical change. If you melt chocolate and freeze it again, it is still chocolate, and this is a physical change. If iron tools rust in the rain, a new brown layer is formed on top of them, and this is a chemical change. Now comes the creative space. This space lets them express their learnings, thoughts, and questions and connect them to their daily life. They write down deeper reflective questions like: is cooking always a chemical change? Which helps in connecting science to real world problems and thus help in building problem solving skills, showing how PBL fuels lifelong curiosity. Finally, 10 self assessment questions help students reflect on their progress. This cycle of learning equips them with 21st century skills for future challenges. Please do visit our Teachopia app for many more grade specific interesting PBLs. The link for the application is provided in the description below. Thank you for watching, and we will catch up soon to explore new PBL guides.